Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you today? I hope you're good. I am here with a Joann, a Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, and a Harbor Freight haul. And this was a return at my Joann's because they usually don't have these. And I was able to use my birthday coupon thing that I had. And they had these one thing of delusion stamps, because I'm like, where are the rest of these? And they're like, we usually don't carry them in the store. That was a return. And I'm like, can I use this on it? And they said yes. So I paid $13 for this, which was a good deal. So that is my Joann. Yay! You know? Okay. And I'm going to tell you about the story. Got up this day and I asked my hubby, because my hubby's not working today, and I'm like, can you take me to Hobby Lobby? And he's like, yes. And I go, because he's like, what do you need in Hobby Lobby that you don't already have? And I'm like, well, they have all their like art supply, paper pads on clearance. I said, because I saw Sprayed in the Mismatched Crafter haul, and I want to check out my Hobby Lobby. Mine is not even close to it. The first manager told me they weren't going to have it. Today's manager, different manager, said, yeah. He says, but it could be 2 weeks. You know. So I get out to the truck by Scott, and he says, honey, my tool he's been wanting, that he's constantly having me look up on Amazon, is out of stock. Harbor Freight's in Green Bay was out of stock. 30 minutes away from us is another Harbor Freight. They had it in stock. And he's like, and I'm like, well, call them, make sure they do, and ask them to hold one for you, because it's 30 minutes away. So he did that, and they're like, yes, we can do that for you. The good part about the 30-minute away is, we have a restaurant called the Machine Shed, kind of similar to a Cracker Barrel, really good food. Diamond and Sam got us a gift card for our birthday for that. So we decided to go down there, go to Harbor Freight, go to the Machine Shed for dinner, and then I went to Hobby Lobby. And guess what? They had stuff on clearance at the Hobby Lobby 30 minutes from me. So I'll start out with the Harbor Freight as long as we're talking Harbor Freight first. And I bought this little set for my craft room. It's a six-piece mini player set. Includes 4 1/4 end nipper, 4.5 the diagonal color, whatever. Needle nose, 6-inch needle nose, 5-inch long nose, 5 bent nose, and 5 flat. $8.99. Thought it was a good bargain. So I had Scott check it out. He's like, yeah, honey, that'd be a good set for your craft room. So pick that up. And then I'm always borrowing Scott's magnifying little light thing he has. So, oops, I almost threw something of Scott's away. Oops, where are those? Oh. And, so we were going down an aisle, and he's like, what? He grabs this, and he goes, here. Then you don't have to keep borrowing mine. Because my magnifying glass is from the Dollar Tree, and it kind of sucks. So, this is pretty cool, because, oh boy, I don't know what's all in this thing. Oh. It has helping hands with lead light. Well, I don't really need the helping hands, but hey, man, good, new toy. Oops. I wanted to like it because of the lead light. That was pretty cool. I believe that's what's in this box. Let's figure this out, guys. Oh, look how big this is. This is awesome. It's bigger than Scott's. Oh, yeah. Let's see some small-ass print. Sorry. Oh, yeah. Definitely. Blind person here. So that's pretty cool. And I don't know what's with all this other gadgets. I only cared about this part. But, hey, helping hands? That works for me. I'll have to have Scott figure and put this together for me because I'm not good at the instructions. So, what did I pay for this anyways? That's my receipt. Okay, the tool set. 6 feet, $9.99. And the Jumbo Helping Hands, $8.99. That ain't bad for that. So that was cool. $8.99 and $9.99. So that's cool. So that's my Harbor Freight. Plus it came with the batteries. So that together. I like the fact that it's much bigger than Scott's. So that's my Harbor Freight. That's the man-woman store, I tell you, for crafters. Alright, then I went to the Dollar Tree down there. I wanted to see if that down south, it's south of Green Bay I went, if they happen to have the dies in. They didn't even have stamps. Found me another guitar. This one's shaped different, so I grabbed it. And yeah, I bought chalkboard tags. I'm thinking, what the hell, Tina? I'm in the truck on my way home going, you just got tags yesterday and you just bought some chalkboard tags. Don't ask. I don't know. But Scott saw this. Scott came in the store with me just to check it out. He grabs this, puts this on a counter. This girl can. He bought me that. This girl can. Isn't that cute? Don't ask me. My hubby, I love him. I'll put that right there. This girl can. And she will. Now, to the Hobby Lobby. I don't know where to start. Let's start here. I really went for the mixed media paper. That's what I really went for. Well, they didn't have the type I really wanted. Only one. But I came across this. It's Bristol Smooth Surface 20 sheets. Originally $11.49, $2.87. That's will work for mixed media, most definitely. And I think I got more in my bag of this. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So far, hang on. Yep, I know I had more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. I bought 10. I stocked with for a while. But for $2.87, yeah. So I got that one of those. I don't know, a lot of mixed media. And then they had this kind. And I watched as she was ringing these up. These 4 pretty much totaled what I would have paid for one. And this was the Bristol Smooth Canson Extra L. I don't know what this stands for, but $2.57. It's a little smoother. This is to me more like a watercolor feel. Kind of got a grit to it. Oh, not really. Huh. But whatever. So maybe it's this one I thought had a grip. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But either way, it's cool paper for mixed media. And these were $2.57 each. And I bought the last 4 that they had. They had stacks of the first one I showed. Stacks. And the ones I really wanted, I didn't find any at first. And then I went over by the sticker stuff. And they had like a little end cap thing, chock full of clearance stuff. They had one of these on the clearance there. Just one. This is the ones I really wanted, actually. I do buy these when I do my mixed media. I love this paper. So, and it's a little different than I usually get. It has this little fold. But I was like, okay, whatever. And this was originally $6.29 to $4.08. And it has the micro truss size sheet. I don't get this. The other one I usually buy don't have this little. I don't get why that's in there, but this folds over here. Comes off, so yeah, it don't make sense to me. But oh well. So I got one of them. It's the only one I had. The only one I could find. $4.08. So I grabbed that. Then let's see. Okay. I bought these just to see if they were like the Camillas. Or the, I don't remember. Camels, however you say that. Markers. I have them somewhere. They only had 2 colors. The purple and the blue for $1.24, regular $4.99. Because I have the chameleons that are similar to this. So I grabbed them too. let's see. Oh, I found an applique for $1. That was pretty. Okay, let's see. Oh, I thought this was kind of cool. It's acrylic paint pots. Originally $13.99 down to $3.49. 18 colors with a brush. And it's like, them are kind of cool, I thought. So, I figured, what the hell. I grabbed them. Then I bought these. Where are they? I picked these up for the kids. They always want to paint. And they only had 2, because I wish they had 3, because I'd have bought a third one for the kids. They're acrylic paint, 18 colors with a brush. And for the grandkids. And they'll be here in a few weeks, so they'll have their own little paint. So I'm hoping I can find another one of these maybe in mine when my stuff comes on sale here. Then I found 2 of the big brayers, and I grabbed both of them. I use brayers. These things, I wish I could have found the jelly paint like Sabrina did, but oh well. $2.24. That's awesome. Big ass sprayer. I love it. So, no, they only had the big ones on clearance. So I grabbed the 2 of them. And then she found, I think, 2 to 3 different colors on clearance of this paint. I only found the one, the red, which I love red anyway, so. It's $1. They were $5.99 down to $1.49, so I grabbed the 2 red they had. And I also found the matte gel Liquidex, originally $25.99 down to $6.49. Grab that. Then they also had this type. It's matte gel. It's just in a smaller thing, I think. That's it. Originally $16.99 to $4.24. $4.24. Yeah, the same thing. Matte gel. So I grabbed both of them. What else was in this thing? Oh, I bought this. I thought it was cute. Me and Riley are going to be doing that little princess journal. And these are little wood pile, it's called. Fun. 59 cents. A little princess and I'm going to give the princess to Riley and the dragon to Allie. That's why I grabbed that, because it actually had a dragon in it as well. So that is it. That is my big Hobby Lobby shopping spree with the hubby today. Haul. So, all I can say is one Hobby Lobby had it. Like I was talking to Sabrina yesterday, saying the manager when I was there the night when Scott took me, he had to go over in that direction. So he swung in to drop me off at Hobby Lobby. He went and did his thing. And I talked to the manager, like, no, we're not having that. And Sabrina's like, yeah, they are. Just, blah, blah, blah. Well, today's manager, it's a different manager. I think they, have a store manager and then they have the manager. I think the night when I talked to that manager, he wasn't the manager. Where today, I think I talked to the manager. He's like, yeah, in about 2 week and a half, 2 weeks, I'd check back. And so, really, I don't need to. I think I'm pretty well stocked up on paper. But I wouldn't mind getting another set so that, each one of the grandkids have their own like this. But if not, well, if I make it back, I make it back. If I don't, I don't. I wouldn't mind finding another big jelly plate. That would be awesome. So, that would probably be the only reason I went back to mine and I'll check every few days. Other than that, we're good to go. So, it was worth a trip today for me to 30 minutes away. And Scott, he got his part he wanted. His tool, I should say. Plus, he bought me this cool little sign that says, "This girl can." But it didn't say this woman can. But I'm going to let y'all go. I thank you for watching my Hobby Lobby, the Harbor Freight, Dollar Tree, and a little bit of Joann's all in one video. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And bye for now, everybody. And I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday night.